I know. Down payment assistance. It's free money. It helps me get into the house, handles my down payment, my closing costs, and I don't have to come out of pocket with a lot of money. I know it's fantastic, but is it always the best thing for you? A lot of times these down payment assistance, they're more conservative, right? The debt to income ratio is lower on what they want you to be qualified on, which means if that's lower, you're not qualifying for as much of a sales price or a loan amount that you could possibly get. If you just went FHA, you can qualify for a higher DTI. The underwriting guidelines are more conservative, so it might be tougher to get approved. The rates are higher. Yeah, the rates are higher, which means your payment's higher. Well, combine that with a lower DTI, now we're not qualifying for as much of a sales price that you might want. Now, can it help? 100%. Can it get you into a home? 100%. We have the down payment assistance programs. We have the hometown heroes. We have the state programs, the county programs. We have them. Understood. Listen. And it could be the best thing for you, but it's not always the best thing for your file, your scenario, your long-term goals, because down payment assistance is going to put a second mortgage or lien on your title behind your first mortgage. And that's going to have to be paid off. Whether if you sell, if you refinance, or if you move out of that home as your primary residence, it has to be paid off. That can affect any refinancing. That could affect any net profit in the future. Overall, the mortgage consultation is where it comes into play. We have to run the numbers and see if it's the best thing for you and your goals. Again, can it help? Yes. But can we look at a file? Can we have a discussion? Can we see, is there any gift money? You might not realize that there's a family member willing to give a gift, or a few family members willing to give a little bit of gift, which helps you handle that down payment. Then we can help get the seller to help with some closing costs with the seller concession. And then maybe you have some savings, checking, savings, 401k, retirement accounts, investments. Maybe you have something there that you don't realize can be used. And then together, we put together your scenario. Together, we put together your file. And maybe that's the best financing for you, because then you don't have to deal with the second mortgage. Then you don't have to deal with that lien that's there. And if you want to refinance, then you have enough equity to do it, because this second mortgage, this down payment assistance, could affect a refinance in the future. It could affect, again, your profit in the future. So overall, down payment assistance is amazing. I understand that. I'm a believer in it. We help people with it, but I've also seen it hurt people in the future when they go to do something, and it might not be the best scenario for you. So that's why we have that discussion, have a heart-to-heart, have that mortgage consultation, and figure out the best route for you and your file and your family. Talk to you soon. Bye.